Hello everyone, welcome to Tips IT YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download our Zoom recording without using any download manager. Actually, in Zoom recordings we can't download. There's no any download option in Zoom recordings. So we need to download by using any download manager. But there's an option to download Zoom recording without using any download manager. Today I'm going to show you how to do that one. Let's go to the video. Right. Before I am telling you, this is my Zoom recording video. Okay, then there's no any option to download this recording. There's no any download button to download this video. Then how can we do this one? To download this video without using any download manager, you have to open this video by using Firefox web browser. This is the very important thing. To download this video, to download the Zoom recording, you have to open this link by using Firefox web browser. Okay, this is my Firefox web browser and this is my Zoom video which I am going to download. Okay, simply to download this video, you have to press Shift button in keyboard. Press Shift button in keyboard and right click this video. Okay, then you can see a drop down like this, and there's option you can see save video as. Okay, then click save video as. After clicking this save video as, you can see this window. It's asking which location do you want to save this video. Yes, you can select any location. I'll select this default one, downloads, and you can give any file name here. I'll enter recording. Okay, and simply you can select save. Click save button. After that, you can see our Zoom recording video is downloading as a MP4 file. You can open this video by using any video player. As an example, you can use a VLC player and simply open this MP4 file or recording. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe Tips IT YouTube channel and share this video to everyone. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video.